Hey guys, welcome back to Standard Time. In today's video I've got another unboxing and first impressions for you, and this time it's the Ocean One Green Ceramic Diver by Steinhart. This piece in particular is the 42mm version that I've got here. There's also a 39 available. So essentially this is another Submariner homage. Now you've seen a lot of Submariner homages over time. Invicta comes to mind because I think they were some of the first to actually make a homage and not a replica. And Steinhart's been in this game for a long time. Steinhart is a German brand and they make really high quality, you could say Rolex homages, because a lot of their collection is based on Rolex watches. And their pieces are actually extremely high quality, and so they also fetch about, I'd say they're mid-tier brand. Well, they're not luxury because they sit around the $500/euro mark. Now for homage, that is expensive, but as you may know, replicas even sometimes go up to $2,000. However, this is a homage and they do their watches really well. Now I've actually been eyeing Steinhart online for quite some time, about 2-3 years now. I really like their aesthetic. I like a lot of their pieces. They don't only make homage watches, they have some unique pieces too. I particularly like some of their chronographs. It's a really good value offering. Now you know that this is the homage of the new Rolex Submariner, but that's not completely true. It's not a homage of that, and I'll tell you why. It precedes the new Rolex. So this piece, I got this piece a couple months ago. It's been a while since, it took me a while to make the video. Apologies for that, but that's actually quite convenient that Rolex released the new watch. Now, the new Rolex Submariner is 41mm and this is 42mm. But like I said, this precedes that watch. However, it's very much a coincidence that, well, might not be a coincidence, but Rolex decided to make pretty much the exact same green bezel in ceramic. So these two watches look particularly similar with the black dial and the green ceramic bezel. The shade of that bezel is also almost the same as the Starbucks or the new Cermit. So Steinhart did really well on this particular watch. I guess now, since the new Rolex is here, this the desirability has gone up for this one, which is good because I don't really plan on keeping this piece. I bought this mainly to make videos on, and then it shall move on. And that's hopefully it's going to be good in terms of a selling perspective. But anyway, as you saw, we've gone through the box, little bits of information, lots of different papers, and there's a thank you piece. It's really nice. Like, the piece in the hand itself feels fantastic. It's probably the heaviest watch I've ever held in my hand. Or a Submariner styled watch for the similar dimensions. Well, this is 42mm in diameter and it has a lug width of 22mm, which is fairly large. So the proportions are not exactly the same, but still, this is a solid watch. I feel like the construction is very much on par with brands well into the thousands. Now, this watch, like I said, is the heaviest watch I've had. It's got a milled clasp, so that's really nice. Solid case back. Everything about this watch feels solid. The action on the crown is absolutely fantastic. It's really smooth, really refined. Winding the crown, you can barely hear it, and it feels very nice in a tactile perspective. The clicks and the precision of the bezel is also really great. I really did not expect it to be this high quality. I've held the previous Submariner, so I'm not too sure about the reference, but the non-ceramic bezel Submariner, and this feels far better in the hand than that. That felt really light, and that bracelet was not good at all. So relatively speaking, the quality on this is pretty much through the roof for what you expect at this price range. Everything is really solid, just nicely constructed. So there you have it. Those are the first impressions and the unboxing of the Steinhart Ocean One Green Ceramic 42mm watch. Now we're gonna do detailed reviews on this piece and a lot more videos to come for this piece on our channel. So do subscribe, stay tuned, and if you want to see this piece before the reviews come out, you can look at it on Instagram at our Standard Time Insta. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video.